Okay, guys. So this is part one with your vocabulary words. Alrighty? These are all the vocabulary words you use for topic 2. So I want you to follow along as I am demonstrating them right here to you in each box. The first box we're going to start on is commutative property of addition. And I have right here what this is. All it is the changing of position of the add-ins. Okay? 5 plus 7 equals 12. Do you see how this addition fact is written? All they did was change the places of the add-ins to make 7 plus 5 equals 12. Your two equations, they're the same answers, same digits, same add-ins, but this is the commutative property of addition. This is very important that you know that, because you're going to have some examples that you have to choose from, okay? The associative property of addition. Well, okay, so know this. Associative property, you're going to have parentheses. Right here, this is the start of parentheses, 4 plus 3, end of parentheses, plus 8 equals 15. Why do you use parentheses? It's an order of operations. You always solve the parentheses first. So if you were solving this right here, we would put a text box and say that this is 7, because 4 plus 3 equals 7. Then we would say 4 plus 3, okay, then you would say 7 plus 8 equals 15, okay? But they're not asking you to solve it, okay? All they're asking you to do is to identify the properties. So over here, you have the exact same equation, except they changed the associative property. Now they changed where our parentheses were and put 4 plus parentheses, 3 plus 8 parentheses equals 15. You have the exact same answer. Nothing changed. The add-ins didn't change. The answer didn't change. The operation signs didn't change. So this is an associative property of addition. So what they're actually saying is parentheses 4 plus 3 end of parentheses plus 8 equals 4 plus parentheses 3 plus 8 end of parentheses. But this is the associative property of addition. All right? The identity property of addition. Guys, any equation in addition that's added to 0. It can be 55 billion trillion plus 0 equals 55 billion trillion. It's still the identity property of addition. That's just the way it works. So if you have a add-in plus 0 equals the value add-in, not the 0, it is the identity property of addition. Count up means that's all you're doing. You got your number line, okay? We counted up right here from 595 to get 610, okay? Right here, compensation. Compensation means, see, you solved. They want you to solve 135 plus 48 equals. All they want you to do is make this second one to where it has a 0 to the closest number that has a 0, the closest 10. So they said 135 plus 48. They changed the 48 right here. They changed the 48 to 50. Okay, and 185 is that answer. See how easy that is? You just add 5 plus 0, 3 plus 5 equals 8, 1 plus 0, 1, okay? What did they add to 48 to get to 50? Right, they added 2. So they took 185 and they put it right here, and then they subtracted the 2, which is 183. And that's called compensation. Now, I'm telling you right now, I don't like it. I think it messes you up. But some people, and it's just my brain, some people's brain actually can work this way. All right? All right, so a variable in your definitions, this is a letter equals a number. A variable is a symbol that can replace a number. Okay? I'm fixing to show you where I have these words. An algorithm. All you do is follow the steps. You know how we have this problem right here? Up here, where 135 plus 50, and we say 5 plus 0 is 5 because we add the ones, and then we add the tens, and then we add the hundreds or whatever, or we carry over, we group. That's the standard algorithm of addition. Inverse operation is you're just doing the opposite. Inverse means the opposite. Right here, you have 14 plus 12 equals 26. Then you have 26 minus 12 equals 14. Use the same numbers to make the equation, but instead of adding, you're subtracting. And if you're following along with me on your vocabulary as you listen to this, you're going to be way now. This page right here, the second page right here, has all of the terms I just went over and in writing what they are. So you can go back through this and hear what, and read them. Hear and read them. Now there's extra words on here because I used it for 5th grade too, because you need these for 5th grade too. All right? So everything should be like right there for you. If you'll use this for part 2, there's no reason you not to get a 100. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Or actually, you're not doing this till Tuesday, so sorry, you're not having a weekend. Sorry about that. Bye.